Hi guys, a different type of teardown. This camera, it used to be mine quite a long time ago. I gave it to my daughter, or possibly even to my granddaughter, I don't remember which. And I was visiting my daughter yesterday, and she asked me if I wanted it back because it didn't work anymore. I think the best thing I can do is demonstrate. If I switch it on, right, we have a display with numbers and letters on it. What we don't have is anything coming through the viewfinder. I haven't actually got the instructions with it, but I've tried every combination of button that I can think of, and nothing actually switches on the sensor, basically. So it may be that it's been dropped and there's something loose inside that we can just push back together, or the sensor has died for some reason. It's let's have a look at the details. It's a J Link3C DC for digital camera, 410Z3. I probably bought it on eBay. Probably. I don't remember, but I have it in the back of my mind I might have bought it on eBay. I think, well, when we had a look inside it, there's a memory card in there, there was pictures on it, and they dated from 2016 to 2018. So at the very least, it's at least 8 years old. It's probably older than that because I probably had it for a couple of years before that, before I gave it to them. So, yeah. Is that going to turn off now? Yeah, there we go. There's a few screws on it. So I will undo the screws and see if we can get inside and have a look at it. It uses an old, I say old, it's the, what do they call that, compact flash card. I've actually got a few of these that I couldn't remember where they came from. Obviously, I bought them for this camera. Yeah. We'll have a look, see if we can get inside. Right, here we are, guys, on white paper, as promised. And I'm not going to try and identify the bits. As promised, I won't identify them, other than that is the camera sensor, that is the display, that is the lens, focus, gearbox, etc. That's the bit that was broken, that little ribbon cable, which would have gone onto there. That's the flash circuit. And that's the plastic casing. I think that's about all we can say. Oh, and some screws. And I will not be attempting to put it back together. Right, just see if we can demonstrate this bit working. Try the other way around. There we go. And then that one. Why has it got to be the other way around to what I'm trying to do? There we go. I'm using 1.5 volt battery to do this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.